Hi everyone. I want to share with you my setup for spray painting on windy days. This is a photo of it. I take a cardboard box from the grocery store. I put a brick on the bottom left side and the bottom right side, and then what I'm painting sits inside the box. The bricks are to hold the box from blowing off. And then in this instance, it's sitting on my green bin for recycling table scraps, peelings, and compostable waste. The box is sitting so that the wind is like this, like on the sides of it, and I'm able to spray into it. The depth of the box is more than 12 inches. So that is so that when I start the spray can up, it's inside the box so the wind doesn't affect it, but the object that I'm spraying is at least 12 inches from the can. So if you're picking a box up, you're picking up a box that's tall so that it's got the depth there so that the spray can isn't right beside it, because it won't give you a nice finish if you're spray painting that close to your object. There's two lessons that go with this. First off, you need to spray in bursts. What I mean is a mist is going to gather around the entrance of that box. You don't want to be so close that you're breathing it in. So you're going to need to spray, take a short break for it to sort of scatter, and then spray again. The second lesson is to wear a respirator. So that's what would go over your nose and your mouth so that you're not breathing it in. The rationale behind this is, with my physical disability, I need to be able to do activities when my body's not holding me back. So I respect the directions on the side of a spray can. I know that spray painting on a windy day is not going to give a good finish. So the box provides a temporary structure that can get painted or damaged, and it's not going to affect anything valuable, but I'll be able to accomplish the painting that I'm needing to do at that time. Before I close, if you're someone that sniffs paint to get high, I just want to tell you that I care about you, and I encourage you to seek help for the real issues behind why you're doing this. There really is more to life than sniffing paint and the temporary high or the relief that it gives you from your circumstances. Thanks so much for this time that you've spent with me today. Bye for now.